Hello friends, today we're going to learn a couple of more Persian letters. We're going to start with the letter dal. If you put one dot on top of it, you will get zal. And then a few curved looking letters, as you can see, re, ze, and je. Okay, let me explain. So the letter dal is the equivalent of D in English, zal the equivalent of Z, re the equivalent of R, z the equivalent of z again, and je the equivalent of zh, which is je. Doesn't really exist in English, but well. And we don't really use it that often in Farsi, but it's good for you to know. Okay, how do we write these letters? Pretty easy. This is how you will write dal. 45 degrees above the line, 45 degrees under the line. So it's kind of like a geometric shape, very easy, very symmetrical. So now I'm going to show you in a better way how to exactly write these letters. So this is your dal. The sound obviously is d. Okay, this is how you will move your pen. If you put one dot on top of it, you will get zal, and the sound is ze. One of the equivalents of Z in English. Alright, next one. This one will be the letter re, the equivalent of R in English. It looks like half a curve under the line. Very easy. If you put one dot on top of it, however, you will get ze, another equivalent of Z in English. Now, if you put three dots, you will get je. Doesn't have any equivalent in English, but we use it in Farsi. Je. Okay, now so we have D, Z. These are the Persian letters, equivalents for these letters in English. Dal and zal. We have R in English, Z again, and ZH, which is je. Re, ze, je. So you can see we have more than one version of Z in Farsi. Depending on the words, we will use different versions of Z. So, dal, that's how you will pronounce the letter in Farsi, dal. The other one is zal. And on this side, things are much easier. Re. So the Persian R is re, a little bit like Italian R, less dramatic though. Then we have ze, and finally we have je, like in the sound garage, je. There you go. All right, now it's time to practice a few words written with these letters. Remember, in Persian we write from right to left. In English, obviously, it's the opposite, left to right. All right, let's see if you can decode this word, which actually means yellow. So the word is zard. It means yellow, the color. This is ze, this is re, and this is dal. Zard. So for now, just focus on actually identifying the letters. The rules of word formation will be explained separately in another video. Okay, here we have another word. Again, right to left, rose. This is your R. And this is your Z. Ze. Now, look at this one. This one is easy. Only two letters, one vowel. This is the equivalent of the English word door. In Farsi, it is dar. You got your D and you got your R there. Dar. Okay, one more time. To summarize, these are the new letters you just learned today. Not difficult, right? Thank you for watching Farsi Wizard videos and stay tuned as more videos will be coming soon. Khodafis.